Hello and welcome to Profit-Preneurship and first. Today I want to show you guys the new and fresh method that I'm really excited to share with you. On my PayPal balance now I have $14,786 and in just few days doing this exact same method I'm about to share with you how you're gonna be able to do this step by step on this video. So stay tuned, pay attention and don't skip any details, because if you do then you won't know how to proceed and how to be able to achieve the same results. So I advise you to stay tuned and listen carefully. I'm not going to advise this video in steps, but I'm definitely going to explain you very carefully everything that you need to do, so it's very easy for you to implement. One of the best things about this method as well is completely free and beginner friendly. So stay tuned because I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do. So without any more delay, let's go into the computer and let me show you how this strategy works and you can get similar results. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to come to is called clearvoice.com, and this website is a website designed for any freelancers, which is gonna allow you to be able to make money. So you could act as a writer, editor, producer, designer, strategist, SEO, or even success manager. So it's very simple, very straightforward the way it works. You will be able to create content that will be visible for other companies, and then when these companies see this work, you will be able to get paid. Okay, so you can come here, you can see as well the different reviews that it has got previous testimonies, and over here you can see that they have actually worked with numerous brands with high prestige. So this company is worth for you to check out. You can see as well that once that you come all the way to the top, you will be able to see the customer stories. So you can go through each of the customers' stories and see how they created their success and how you could actually replicate the same. And then you can see here the different features that the platform has and so on. So the first thing you will need to do, you will need to click on login, and then once that you click on login, you will see over here it says a clear voice for freelancers. Okay, so actually you will go to the bottom and you will go to freelancers, and then you will come to this website, and then we are looking for clear voices, secure your freelance jobs that worth your time. So you will create your CV portfolio over here, and people will be able to see your work and they will be able to hire you over here, and then you will get rewarded and you will get paid. So you can see that this brand over here has worked with different brands including Paisa, Carfax, In20, LifeLock, Insurance, Woobooks, on Seahawk. Okay, so it's very simple. You just need to customize your CV, and obviously the more content you put, the more you're gonna be able to be visible to different brands, you know. So as you can see here, it says increase your personal brand. So if you search about freelancing, strengthen your CV portfolio and clear your voice to help you grow your business. So you'll be able to secure your different jobs through your CV, join the talent network. When assignment will match your expertise and rate, then you will be able to pitch to your clients. You'll be able to share your CV portfolio, you'll be able to set your own rate, and then they make it very simple that you can communicate with them. And the most important thing is you will get paid very quickly. So as you can see here, clear voice freelancers are paid via PayPal. Upon assignments and approval, work with confidence, you will get paid on time. So you can see here some of the talent network, and you can see from different testimonies of how it has worked for them. And then if you got any other questions as well, you go access here to support, where you could actually you could actually contact them and just get on hold with them, and they should reply within no time. So as I say here, you know, it will actually specify how you will get paid, but you know, the next thing, once you log in into a website, you will need to fill up the information. So you will come to a platform like this. This will be your profile, and then you can click here and improve your CV. And what you will need to do is you will need to go and be adding the different sections, including your social media accounts, your categories, your tagline, your bio, your role, and so on. Okay, so once that you put all your content, the content will be published over here. So everybody will be able to see your content, and you will be able to get a lot of traffic, because this website gets a lot of traffic as well, you know. So I'm actually gonna show you this so you can see. So as you can see, they are on the rank of the 374 and they get like 387,000 visits per month, so which is a great amount. So you can see here as well more information how you could actually perform as a writer or blog writer. But don't worry if you are not an expert, because I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to do this. So the next step I want you to do is I want you to go to Killer PLR articles. So over here you will be able to create the content that you're gonna import to this website. I know that you know a writer. I know that you might not be, or if you are, it's even better. But if you know, then don't worry, because this website will help you out. You will be able to create your account. You will be able to verify your account, and then you will have full access right away. So you will be able to create your account within minutes, and you will be able to register and download the PR articles, which I'm gonna show you how. So once that you log into your account, you click on categories and you will see all the different topics and categories that you can use this information for, because PL articles are articles that you can actually reuse. So I'm gonna focus on motivation, for example, peer articles, because I think it's something very interesting and I would like to write about that. So once that you find an article that you want, the only thing you need to do is just need to copy the article. Okay, so you will go and just copy different sections of the article until you have your article completed. Obviously, if it's more than 1,000 words, will be better. And then you will come to Google. Docs, and then in Google Docs you just need to paste the information over here so you can create your article. You just have to read through the article and make sure that this is something that could add some value to them, and then you just need to name as well, obviously, what's gonna be the title of your article. So for example, 10 simple steps for motivation and more sales. So you can add your article over here, and then you could just save or export this. Okay, so you could just download your article. And once that you have completed your article, that's the information that you're gonna be able to add over here. Once that you come to the website and once that you come to your profile over here where it says add content, that's where you're gonna be able to upload your file. So for example, let's see where my download is. Let's see what my article has gone. So then once that you have downloaded your article, you will go to your article and then you will upload your article. Then the good thing that you can do is you can put it into different categories. So if you're writing about different things, this is something that you could add as well. And obviously if you're writing about motivation or the topic, put an image that inspire that, so you cannot reflect that type of motivation, like on this case it is. You will need to put the content time, you will need to put the primary role, which in this case you will be the editor or the writer, and then you have to just put more information about the article. So it's very simple, very straightforward. Once that you submit your article, it will show over here, and then what I advise you to do is to put as many articles as you can. If you can do 50 a day, I know it's a lot, but you can do it. I believe in you, so you could do it. Just try to do as many as you can, because obviously this will build up, and once that you've done it for 1 or 2 months, people will be able to see the amount of content that you provide, and that's something that you could actually show to clients, so you can start working with them. Because as I showed you before, this website is visited by thousands and thousands of dollars, or dollars as well, because these people are gonna be making purchases from you. So you will create a profit, but he's visited for 396,000 people. This will include like so many business opportunities. So I will really encourage you to go and just have a look, just add the information to your profile, get the articles from the website that I've shown you, and then you can build your articles on Google Docs. Okay, so if with that said, this is all for today's strategy. Very simple, very straightforward. I hope that you take much action and you can get great results. And additionally, if you want to find out additional ways where you can make money online, click on the first link in the description, because I will send you all the information to your email address starting today. So I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I hope that you're very successful. Take care now, guys.